Quiz time. What is the metal that plays a crucial role in modern industry and science? Here's a hint. It's a metal we see and touch even more often than iron in our daily lives. The answer is aluminum. But where does aluminum come from? The most important raw material for aluminum production is a mineral called bauxite. Bauxite is the primary ore that contains the highest amount of aluminum. Bauxite comes in various colors, including white, brown, red, and gray. Although bauxite is found in many parts of the world, extracting aluminum requires a massive amount of electricity. That's why it is mainly mined in countries like Iceland, Brazil, India, and China, where electricity is relatively cheap. In today's world, aluminum is everywhere. But did you know that before the mid-1800s, aluminum was more valuable than gold and silver? That's because the technology to refine aluminum had not yet been developed. French Emperor Napoleon III, known for his extravagant lifestyle, once used aluminum tableware for royal banquets. Only the most distinguished guests were served with aluminum plates and utensils, while those of lower status had to settle for gold and silver. He even had an aluminum crown made for himself and crafted aluminum toys for children. But in 1886, a groundbreaking discovery revolutionized the aluminum industry. An American chemist, Charles Martin Hall, heard that whoever discovers a method to refine aluminum will become incredibly wealthy. Motivated by this idea, he devoted himself to research and eventually succeeded in developing the electrolysis process to extract pure aluminum from its ore. Around the same time, a French chemist made the same discovery. Thus, the method was named the Hall-Héroult process, after both scientists. As a result, aluminum prices dropped drastically. In the mid-19th century, aluminum cost over $1,000 per kilogram, but just 50 years later, it was less than $1 per kilogram. Aluminum has many advantages. It is lightweight. It can be easily shaped into thin sheets. It is more resistant to rust than iron and maintains its shine for a long time. It also has excellent heat and light reflection properties, making it ideal for insulation materials and even spacesuits. Here are some useful aluminum foil life hacks. Wrap the stem of a banana with aluminum foil to slow down the ripening process. Wrap a drink can or beer bottle with foil before putting it in the fridge. It will chill faster. When ironing clothes, place a sheet of aluminum foil underneath the fabric. The heat will reflect back, making the process more efficient. When cooking using the same principle, wrapping the aluminum foil transfers heat well and is good for cooking well inside. In addition, as you know, the glossy part of the aluminum foil is the front and the non-glossy part is the back. But the reason why the aluminum foil has a different gloss can be found in the manufacturing process. Cooking foil is made by rolling two sheets together, but then only one side of the rolling machine comes into contact with it. In other words, it would be easy if you think of one side of the rolling machine as a roller, which means the other side is glossy and the other side is not glossy. The difference between before and after the cooking foil is simply the difference in whether or not it came into contact with the roller, and there is no difference in the ingredients. It's not that good in terms of aesthetics, so if you put food on the glossy side, it's good.